What's going on, guys? So this morning, a few things I am keeping an eye on. Got these levels here mapped out, trading the NQ with Qline and Moneyball. If you're using QWave, you could basically copy paste these settings. QWave is essentially Qline with an upgraded ribbon and some other features, and the main difference is those ad alerts. But if you're using Qline, basically you could copy these settings, or if you're using QWave, sorry, you can copy these settings. So watching the NQ, I've got 1 second data feeding into a 3-box Renko. Got my Trading pulled up here. This morning, really nice little short here. I didn't end up getting into this, but easily hit, let's see, almost a 3-to-1 right off the bat here. And then looking to possibly, might hop into this if we get a bull alert here, just because we're tapping this very long-term zone here. And then if we break through this gets invalidated and we push back down here. I mean, if there's another bear alert, I might be looking to take that as well to push back down towards these levels. But probably going to get a bull alert here soon. Starting to get some weakness on the money ball as well. Getting this flip in the ribbon. So might just hop into this. See if we can't get a push up before market open.
Order filled.
Okay, we are in this trade. Stops no more than the bottom part of the bands. Keep those stops tight. Where did I get in here? 29. Pretty ugly entry, I'm being totally honest. But we'll see if we can't get a push up. Might get stopped out here. And then first take profit. I like to shave off at 1-to-1 and then move those stops to break even. At least get into a free trade here, take off some profit. Got into this move a little late. Looks like we're going to get stopped out here.
Stop filled.
This would have been a nice little bear alert to take. Once again, pretty bad entry on that trade. Would have been in a risk-free trade. I mean, we barely missed out on that risk-free trade there, hitting that first take profit. Now this bear alert. We'll see if we don't get a bounce off this zone here. Wouldn't be surprised. Just bad risk management on my part. Probably should have shaved some profits off. Maybe not even entered the trade just because I got not the most optimal entry. But we'll see. This would have been a nice little short already. You would have been in a risk-free trade there, hitting that 1-to-1. If we get a bear, if we get another bull alert here, I'll maybe go ahead and take it. See if we can't push up. This bear alert turned out to be just a great move down. If we end up getting a bull alert here, I might take it. Try and see if we can't push back higher towards these zones here. Getting that flip on the ribbon. Starting to get some weakness there on the money ball indicator. We'll see if this wasn't just a nice little liquidity sweep down here before we push up, retake those zones. See if we don't get a push with market open.
Order filled.
Okay, we are in this. Stops no more than the bottom part of the bands. Once we get that 1-to-1, go ahead and shave some profit off, and then probably leave one on if we hit that take profit to hit this pivot area up here. So we'll see if we don't hit that first take profit, get ourselves in a nice risk-free trade, or if the bears will claim victory today.
Order filled.
There is take profit 1. We will move our stops to break even here and then put a sell up here at 49.25. If we don't get stopped out here. See if we can't hit that 2-to-1 here to start the day, make up for this earlier trade. Stops to break even, so we are basically in a risk-free trade. See if the bulls can't push us up off of the open.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Okay, we are out of that trade. Going for this zone here. Starting to get a flip on the ribbon here. Might go ahead and take a bull alert if we get it here. See what happens. See if we can't push up towards those zones. Got a nice bounce off this level, so we'll see. Dangerous taking things to the upside. I mean, you could just see we are in this consistent downtrend from last week. Last week's big sell-off, but might be some potential moves here on these little reversals. Might have missed this move already. Didn't get that bull print. Should in a second. We'll see if we get one. Big fight here at the open. I'll go ahead and hop
Order filled.
A lot of buyers stepping in down here. So wouldn't be surprised if we charge back up towards these zones.
Order filled.
There we go. First take profit hit. Move those stops to break even. We are in a risk-free trade. I will go ahead and shoot for little 2-to-1 here. Sellers do not want to give up this fight. Might get ticked out here, but I really wouldn't be surprised to see a strong push up back towards those levels here. Back through these levels. See if we can't get some breathing room away from our break-even stop there. There's that push up.
Order filled.
There we go. Nice little morning. I'll be done for the day. Let's do a little quick recap here. So first trade was this bull alert here. Got in pretty late. Ended up getting stopped out. Almost pushed up to my break even. Would have taken some profits off the table. Wow, yeah, this move is just ripping up. Would have taken some profits off the table. Didn't quite get there. Did not have the most optimal entry. I mean, we barely missed my break even take profit. And then could have hit this bear alert. You know, we had some sell side pressure, got this flip on the money ball. The reason I had taken this first bull alert was because we were just bouncing off of this supply zone here. Thought that would be a nice push up. Would have been in a break even trade, like I said, but you know, that is the name of the game. This could have been a nice little bear alert for you. Would have been a decent little 2-to-1 there to start your day. So you wanted to look at it like this. Obviously, getting a touch here, getting a touch here, and then getting a reversal here. Got in at this bull alert, saw buyers step in here on the normal candlesticks. You can see buyers really pushed up off this zone, hopped in on this bull alert, saw the ribbon go flat, and then got this push up on the ribbon, got this flip on the money ball for a clean little 2-to-1 to start the day. Two very nice trades right off the bat there. Wow, this thing is just running. Yeah, see, reclaiming those zones. So ended up taking this trade, was a no-go, barely got stopped out there on my break even. This would have been a great trade to take. Once again, we got retracement back to this zone here. I hopped in on this one. That was a nice little 1-to-1. Hit my first take profit level, so it was a break-even trade, but ended up reversing on us, tapping these levels again off the open, and then figured this was a strong move up, hopped in here. So that was basically a 2 out of 3 trade day. And we will take it. As you can see, I mean, that's why these trade locations are so important. You can see right when we tap this zone, we get these strong reversals. Those are great entry points. And then as you can see, look, we are tapping this zone right here from these previous levels, and we are getting an immediate reversal. I mean, wouldn't be surprised if we get a bear alert here and we just print right back down to these levels. But I will step away for the day. I am satisfied with the profits. And that's all I got for you. If you want this exact same QuantVue system, you can try it 100% risk-free for 7 days. Start your free trial. You'll get access to our full Discord community members area. We've got pre-built chart layouts. We've got alerts channels. You can collaborate with all of our head traders, myself included, on a daily basis. 3 weekly market reports, absolutely free, included in your membership, along with so many more benefits. That's all I got for you in this one. See you tomorrow.